Ja, tava Toone tua Jeff. O le asa nei aso luas pultasi o se sema ua kako iai le vai aso ke Xmas vai aso nei o le celebrate le laulangi a mese sama nei le aso Xmas le aso tofi e o loo matou mafuta tuma seu tama manai elders Eras Toone ma Leavitt from Canada o Canada lea o Utah ada Toone famalulu atu o le si elder Leavitt ua si tia okay for elder Leavitt's family is watching is now in a different area, so it's sad he's not here with us tonight. I alo lava fatai lava ai woma ina asanyona fatasi mai ia mako engu ki ngai fiau
very good for
okay it's rather healthy elders Toone elder Leavitt on the fiafi fapitua mo ua so for your families watching back home, I know it's your first time away from home this Christmas, and we want to say thank you. And I know. You're so happy. We do have elders in the mission, and I know it's the same feeling. I know it's hard to leave your families. It's an honor and a privilege to have you guys here, and we want to say thank you on behalf of our own elders serving in the mission. It's the same feeling with your families too. They miss you guys. We appreciate having you guys here for Christmas. Fatai au lua mole lua iai foi I tonu si matua inga I le Christmas. And your families watching back home, don't worry, they are all safe and sound here in Samoa. We are the new Kusu family here in Leavitt, and we always take care of the elders, and I want to say happy birthday to your mom, to Elder Toone. Happy birthday to your mother, turning her 52nd birthday yesterday. Happy birthday to your mom, and also to Elder Leavitt's family back in Canada. I know you miss enjoying Christmas at the barn with your cows and the horses. Fafitai tere lava ia taimi nei wala tu I le tama I vena tawa ina ia me alofa
Malo among men because I'm going to leave this Christmas for some this coming week. I am a real Christmas soon for the Christmas wine along. This is my mama. Smell of Adele.
Merry Christmas.
Just gonna give you guys the time just to say a few words. to your families watching background, your friends and relatives. Since you're gonna spend Christmas here in Samoa. Yep.
I guess it's been a little bit tough being away from home, but this family has really taken care of us. Junior, the patriarch, and his family. They're such wonderful people, and I'm having a great time in Samoa. I'm grateful for all the prayers from back home, and I'm just feeling very, very grateful for this and for the Christmas spirit I'm feeling. So, I love you guys, and I'm very well taken care of over here, as you can see. So, love you guys, miss you guys, and hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas.
Hey guys, I miss you quite a bit. Just wanted you to know I'm okay. My mom, hi dad, hi Finley, Scarlett, Stepper, Will, Olive, hi grandpa and grandma, and Nana, and hey Ollie, and see you guys soon.
Will continue to be, but seriously, your family is amazing, and it's wonderful coming over here every Sunday. So you guys feed us well, you guys treat us well, and every time we come past you, we know we'll be saying hi. You guys are just so warm and welcoming, and it's really made a difference for us with a tough time being away from home for the first time for the holidays, and we're grateful for all your hospitality and for how wonderful you treat us. And for this gift, this is super generous. So seriously, just thank you guys. Thanks for videoing us and keeping us in touch for our families at home, and just helping boost us in a little bit of a rough time. So we love you guys, and we're very grateful for your wonderful family. So thank you guys so much.
Si fai ne kala.
O te ilo le whai le tonu, le a masa wali wali. Ai a vea i le leo whai masui o le so nei. Whakai tele lava mo le tamwhutanga matanga pie, ma le mea lofa, ma le whawawa. O le maua, te talo mo le mea afi afi. Whamanuia le atua i si tatoenga, whatutumo mea uma ua avea seono le tō. Whamanuia i te o lua, o le matua o le mea inga.
Tai.
Maua o lua, le malosi o le tino, sile le malosi o le whale ngana. Whamanuia fo i alo ma lo whanau. Mau i la tō, le malosi ma le poto ma le atamai. Whamanuia le tamawha le langi i lo fuafuanga tato i le nea afi afi. Whaktai tele lava mo mea uma ma le whalo alo. Whakatai.
Every time you smile to us, every time, that's why we really love you guys. When you are on the mission to proclaim the gospel of Jesus Christ here in this area. From nearly 2 and if you have feedback, we'll quickly. Most thing about a longer from here for you, Toone. I'm going to king out of Mama. They don't want Marufa. Suddenly, quick king and Mama. They will get Pope. They will go sleep tonight.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm not so late. My eldest. Yeah, I'm very happy. How's it work?